guys, this is Lila from Crafty Twins, and today we're going to be making Valentine magnetic bookmarks. And they don't have to be Valentine-y, but the ones I'm doing are Valentine-y because it's going to be Valentine's Day this weekend. So, this is what they look like with the magnets, and they stick together easily. And I'll show you what they look like with this book. Sorry about the sun pump in the background. So you open it up, stick it on, just like that. Oops, that page is glossy, so that page won't work as well. But let's find a different page, because it was just clipping on a minute ago. There. See, it clips on really easy because the paper is so thin. And it looks really cute. So, let's get started. What you'll need is hot glue, which I have behind me, some paper, and I got some of this paper that I used to make these from Jackie Line, and I'll use this, it looks like this dotted paper right there. And so thank you, Jackie Line, for that paper. I'm also using this. This is one of my mom's paper palettes. It's all Valentine paper, so it's really cool. And I also use this little heart hole puncher. You need some scissors. You need a pencil. You need a ruler, or you can just use a grid mat. But I use a ruler and a grid mat, and then some magnet. And you can have like as strong as you want, but test it out before, like use a piece of paper, put it in between to make sure they still stick together, so you know that the magnet is strong enough. So now we can get started. The first thing you're gonna need is the main base color that you want, like it'd be this color for me, and a pencil and your ruler. So I have this grid mat, so I'm making lines every inch. So this grid mat already has it on, and I already drew them on, so just every inch draw your line all the way across to the end, and then you can cut off the excess paper. But you probably won't have any because this is like perfectly inched paper. Then you just turn it the other way, you put it on your grid mat, and you look at the middle one and then draw another line right through there. Well, I don't need to draw the line, but you get the point because I already have the line on there. So, the next step is the cutting out part. So, you're going to want to cut it along the first line. Forget about this middle line for right now. So, now I've cut this out, and this can make 2 bookmarks right here. So, you can make 2 at a time pretty much. So, the next step is just to cut through the middle of that. Finally, the sump pump stopped. Sorry about that. It's a good thing that it stopped. Just not a good thing that I started my video while it was going, but it wouldn't stop. It took forever. So now you have your 2 pieces here, and this is double-sided, but I want this part in the middle. And you just fold it in half, and you can do that with both of them. Increase the sides good. There. Now that I've done that, now it's time to cut your magnet. And if you do black to black, they stick the best like that instead of like that. So now you just put them together, and you just cut out like a little square. It can be bigger and smaller depending on how big you want your magnet to be, or how much you want it to stick. And I'm just doing mine about that big, and now you just hot glue them on. You could also put the magnets on before you crease them, but I prefer not to. So you just sort of uncrease them, but not totally, just so they're like, you can see the crease still up there, so this part is still up. And you just hot glue the two. This will just be enough for one. So you just glue the white part down to both of those, and then you do the same to the top. Now that I've done that, it doesn't matter what their magnets look like, just matters if they stick together. And they both do. Woo. Okay, now they do. This one was like, they're not lined up perfectly, so they don't stick as well, but Huh. I think there was some glue stuck in it. Sorry about that. Okay, there, I got it to stick now. It wasn't lined up perfectly, so I had to just take it off and re-glue it. So now I have these, and now you can start decorating. To decorate mine, I'm taking this paper from Jackie Line. This is from the paper that Jackie Line gave me. Thanks again for it. And I'm just going to cut sort of a strip of it. And then like glue it to the top of my book. Okay, now I've glued the top of these, and I haven't done the back yet, and I will do that now. And I'm using hot glue, but you can use Elmer's glue or whatever glue you have. Probably work. Okay, now that I've done those, I will zoom in a little bit so you can see them a little better. They're right there. And I think you would keep them like this if you want to, but to me, they look a little boring, like just like this. And this magnet won't stay down. Okay, now it is. So now we are going to cut out the hearts. And I have this paper right here, and this is actually just this paper, and I cut out this part of it so I could punch the holes out of that because I liked those colors together. I wish I had a bigger heart hole punch, but I don't have a bigger one. This is the biggest I have that I could find, so this will have to do. And I only need 2 because I'm only doing 2 bookmarks right now. And you just punch 2 out, and I did mine right here, and I'm just gluing mine sort of a little bit over the top like that, and I'm doing that to both of them. Okay, so I did that, and now you can see on this one, I put an L on mine. You can put whatever you want on yours. You can leave it just like this if you want to, but you can put your first initial or anything you want on there. You could even maybe put glitter on it if you want to, or do whatever you want, but I think I might put a little bit of glitter on mine. But if you want to know how to put a little letter on here, all you do is take a different colored piece of paper and you cut out whatever shape or letter you want. So I'm going to do some glitter, and I'm also going to use advanced tape glitter. When I said advanced tape glitter, I meant just like a glue stick. Well, this isn't what I meant to grab, but I'm going to use a glue stick. Okay, so I did this one, and now I'm going to do this one, and I just have this glue, and it's Tombow Mono Aqua Liquid Glue, and it has this brush side, which I'm using so I don't get too much. And you just squeeze out a little bit, and there goes the sump pump again. And this video is almost done, so I'm not gonna take the time to pause it. And you just rub it all over. Try to get the sides as good as you can also. Just like that. And I'm just using this glitter, and I'm just like taking pinches of it and just glittering it all up like this. And then you can do that to the back if you want to, or you could just leave the back plain. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I really hope you liked this video. Please give it a like and comment and subscribe and give us suggestions of videos you want us to do, and we will reply to every comment unless it's probably like a hate comment. We just will ignore it. We will check our comments, and we will probably reply on the weekends, or yeah, we'll reply on the weekends, and we will, if you give us suggestions, we will probably do that if we have enough time and we have the supplies to do it. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment below, give us suggestions, and I hope you try this, and I hope you have fun making it. And yeah, and you probably don't need to know this, but I just was like putting out there like we'll probably make more videos now that basketball's done, even though drama's starting. And our basketball, our team was only 6th graders. We made it all the way to the championship game, and then we lost by 3 baskets. We were so close. But it was a good game. It was a really good season. Probably don't want to know that. I don't know. I like telling people. So, again, I say this way too many times in all the end of my videos. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment and give us suggestions. Okay, I'll stop now. Bye!